This is our fourth and final workshop today. This one is on the waltz. In the waltz, we began by using the same combination we did in the foxtrot. That was a twinkle to promenade position, a feather ending, a left turn, and then from there start again with the twinkle to promenade. The purpose of that was to wake you up to certain things, such as, if you're dancing foxtrot choreography, use foxtrot rise. So in this choreography, we're not closing the feet as we would in much of typical waltz, therefore don't rise so much. The two reasons for rising are to slow up to close the feet, or to slow up to change direction, like when banking for a turn. So use the appropriate amount of rise and watch out for the danger of over-rising, which is all too common in all of the dances. We also talked about a better word than turn is bank. So when you dance a twinkle to promenade, don't turn to promenade position, bank to promenade. It means you'll probably turn more subtly, more gradually, more beautifully. Likewise, when the woman changes from promenade on that feather ending, if she thinks of banking rather than turning, or on the left turn, banking returns. Banking produces a more beautiful action than just turning, which tends to be too abrupt or harsh. After we danced that combination, then we changed to another combination using the twinkle to promenade, but this time he stays facing diagonal wall. We turn to promenade and dance a series of chassés, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. After we dance 2 or 3 of those chassés, then we dance the feather ending, 1, 2, 3. So the ladies' part of that is also to dance a twinkle to promenade, but this time she's turning a little farther than on the previous one. A few chassés, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then the feather ending. In dancing those chassés, we emphasize again how important it is to turn the feet and the head without turning the body. So when you turn to promenade, we don't want to turn everything. We only turn the feet and the head. So think of her promenade as looking diagonal center, but moving down the line of dance. So now her body is to her partner, her nose and toes are diag center, and she's moving down the line of dance sideways. His promenade is nose and toes diag wall, his body toward his partner, and again, he's moving down the line of dance sideways. So promenade position is notoriously resistant to improvement. This is a good combination because you're just simply staying in promenade, doing fairly easy choreography, just to feel where you are and to make adjustments as needed. Then we went to another combination where from that twinkle to promenade, we did a grapevine, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, and then again the feather ending. That one was a little bit more busy, and it certainly requires moving faster because we're not closing our feet anywhere. So gentlemen will need to take the lady down the floor. There's right hand pressure on her back, but it's not independent of what his body's doing. He's using his body to take her down the floor on that grapevine. It is the fastest you will move together in the waltz because you're dancing a split beat, 1 and 2, 3, and you're not closing your feet. To get that kind of speed, he's going to have to signal to her, get ready, here we go. In a sense, it's like paso doble, where he's caping her. He's caping her down the floor on that grapevine. And again, practice in that one, swiveling the nose and toes independently of the body. The quieter the body, the better it feels, and the better it